Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. Hope you guys are all well. So this is our Binance update. So we'll go over to those charts. So yeah, firstly, RLC iExec, one of my favorite coins. I did actually sell most of it though, on this daily 9. And obviously this spike up. I think I actually only got out at just under 1.7. It did go all the way up to 1.9. But yeah, I had to get up in the middle of the night to get some orders in and get some sells, because potentially we're gonna have a little bit of a move down. I'm only holding a very small amount of this now, but I have got orders in to fill my big bag up again. Well, I'm aiming for the daily 21, so I think my orders probably start. In fact, I should be able to show you where my orders start. Here we go. Let's find out where my orders start. This is the balance anyway. So far we've got up to 1.018 Bitcoin. We were actually up at 1.05. We're up quite a bit. Were we? Yeah, 0.05. We're up quite a bit. Yeah, I think that's right. 1.05. No, it's not. I don't know. We're up a bit more than this, I'm sure. But anyway, it's moving up nicely, so that's not too bad. But obviously we're in the building stage really, so I've not got a lot of my positions on that I want. Things are running away with me, but we have got a few more coins. Let me just show you where my iExec RLC orders are. I'll be able to tell you. Wait, here we go. Where we go? Here we go. Spot orders. That is the one. And open orders. This is the open orders. So these are all the orders I've got in. quite a lot of orders. If you have a look, these are some. Yeah, so basically here's my first order. No, it's not. Is that my first order? I might have changed that one spot 2 is my first one. Maybe I can filter them by no, I can't filter them by type. Where's the rest of them? Oh, that's the only one I've got, so I may need to put some more orders in for this. Elrond, I got some Elrond fills because I was waiting for a bit of a pullback in Elrond. Yeah, I think that is a bit punchy for that order, based on what I'm looking at this chart 1.2. I mean, really I was aiming for this sort of level here, but I may actually increase it to 1.3. Yeah, I'll probably be happy to take the trade around there. So we'll actually adjust that order now. I've got a bit more time in today's video, so we'll have a little play around with what we're looking at. So these are all my orders. These are, so RLC, this is my only order for $500 worth at 1.2. So I might put orders in for about 1.3 and 1.4. We'll put some orders in there. So let's cancel this one. Yeah, cancel that one. So now we'll nip over to that market for RLC. So we'll click on markets. Taking its time here. RLC. Here we go. RLC USDT. That's the one. This is the one we're looking for. And we'll get some orders in. I think I don't have much yet because a lot of my USDT is tied up in all the orders. So there's my 500 USDT that I've just freed up. So we'll look for a price of what are we looking at? 1.4 and 1.3, wasn't it? So we'll put an order in for 1.4, 1.242. That's what we'll do, and we'll call that yeah, that'll do. We'll call it 175 RLC tokens. Hit the buy, and we will now go for 1.3 for the remaining of that order, which will give us 100 nearly 190. So we'll pop that in. So we've adjusted those orders a little bit. and kind of chasing the market up a bit, but not too aggressively. If we have a look in Elrond, Elrond's pulled off a bit. We were long Elrond. I was, well, not actually on this account yet, but I was long Elrond, took a lot of it off, and now looking to re-enter again. I actually had, if I show you my order where I got filled on Elrond today, we've got a couple of orders here. So we've got Elrond and Atom, Elrond and Cosmos, so we can actually add that to our list. Elrond here, we're now holding that. And Cosmos, we're now holding that. So we are slowly building our bags. Not got the iExec, not got the thing. We're not having chaining, but we're leaving it on there. Not got QNC, or maybe we've got maybe we've got ENG. Maybe we've got ENG. Let's have a quick look, see if we've got ENG. Here's a spot wallet. And then we'll have to hide the small balances. Hide the small balances. Hey, is that hiding small balances? Oh, we've got quite a lot of coins in here. So we've got ENJ. We've not got ENG, so that was right. I just was checking whether we've got that one. Yeah, we've got ENJ, not ENG. So let's just count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're not counting BNB. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're not counting Tether either. And then how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're missing one. What's missing off here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So is it waves, is it Ren, or is it swipe? Let's have a look. Waves, it's swipe. There we go. Right, so there we go. So we're still looking to get Algorand. We are still looking to get QLC. We're still looking to get Enigma. Still looking to get our favorite iExec. Still looking to get Carver. Let me just show you there. We've got some orders in for iExec. Sorry for Elrond. We've got right. So we've got some Elrond. That's what I'm trying to tell you. We got in some Elrond. So let's have a look where we had our orders. Where did we come down? Where's our orders? Elrond. We've got Elrond and Cosmos. We've got filled in some Elrond at this is BNB, isn't it? We got filled in some Elrond at 0.012686. And let's have a look where we got down to. We got down to here, which is basically, if you can see where my arrow is, 1 spot 2 6 basically. We literally low ticked Elrond. Doesn't really matter too much. You can come down more if it wants, but we are looking to pick some more up anyway at some lower prices. So by all means come down. We're in the backfilling stage. Even though we picked up a lot of coins, we still haven't got the full size positions we want in a lot of these coins, and we're still sat on obviously still sat on nearly $6,000 worth of tether that we are looking to invest. So we've only got basically 40% now, 40% of our total invested, or 41.6%. So we're 41.6% invested. So yeah, we're still looking for some moves here. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, what were we looking at? Yeah, RLC is where we're looking to get some fills. So yeah, not too much else that I wanted to say there. We just put some orders in. We've got some fills. I've shown you the fills. I've shown you the balance. I'm not sure there's much else that we need to show you guys. We'll have a look at we'll have a look at the our watch list whilst we are here. Just refresh this just to check get some updated values. I've actually bought a couple more coins on my on MXC as well. Coins are available in here. These are the new ones we pile into. This one, BZX protocol, Sora, we pile into that one quite heavily. And then obviously we're still holding these. I'm thinking of buying more Edgeware. Energy Web Tokens, one of my favorites. Not Edgeware, Energy Web Tokens, one of my favorites. It's only on a tiny exchange on Bitrex or Liquid. I think I've got it on. Yeah, so it's not getting a lot of love, but I'm accumulating even more and more as this price dips a little bit. Dot as well, down a little bit. Casio and Pluton. ChainX, one of the great ones. But yeah, other ones I'm holding on MXC are Kusama and Ocean protocol, which have had some big pumps. And yeah, so and Carver's having a big pump as well. We've obviously missed a bit of that one. So yeah, we're generally having a bit of a rotation, which is kind of what we wanted. We wanted rotations. We wanted to fill bags, trim some profits off once they have some spikes up, and then hopefully fill some other bags when they get their dips down. So that is kind of the plan. So yeah, at the moment, it's ticking up, but like I said, we're mainly in the bag filling stage, and then once we've got our bags filled, then we're actually going to start looking at setting up some 3 bots to scalp out some profit. So we will be trading these bots against probably Tether. If we do get a confirmed bull market in Bitcoin, we'll start scalping them against Bitcoin, into Bitcoin basically, but we'll be looking for basically some sell bots to scalp some profits. And hopefully stack up some more sats, and then increase our amount of coins. So yeah, that's it really. Not too much else to show you guys. We've got our full update on Monday of tomorrow, basically, of our overall of our list, and we'll add a couple of the new ones we've got in. But yeah, we'll add them on, update our spreadsheet, and we'll have a look at that. That'll all come in tomorrow, and see if we can see how many percent we are up or down this week. Obviously we're up a total of over 30% so far. 60 in USD value, we were up 16% in the first week and 12% in the second week. So hopefully you can have another good double digit increase, but we'll have to wait to see what happens there. So yeah, that's it really, guys. Not too much to say, but just look at that beautiful daily 9. We know how these guys roll. We know how to trade the TD. And let's have a look at the 4 hour. I mean, we had a nice 9 there. That would have been the sell entry once we on the 4 hour, once we got below there, which funnily enough was the 1.6, which was where we got out. So yeah, that was the sell trade. And realistically, we're looking at back over to the daily. I mean, we're not gonna, I don't know, we're gonna touch this 21 daily anytime soon. I mean, maybe if the 21 daily moves its way up a bit. So yeah, there you go, guys. So that's our Binance update. I'll have a Bitcoin video later on, and then we'll have our full altcoin checkup tomorrow. So I'll speak to you guys later. Remember, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll speak to you in a bit.